Hi, my name is Kenny Seybold, and I'm the Director of Custodial Services for Flagler County Schools, located here in beautiful Palm Coast, Florida. And I hope everyone is off to a great school year. I'm sending this message first to congratulate all the custodial rockstar nominees. Last year, Flagler County was proud to have our own Mr. Ron Crowley be chosen as the Rockstar Custodian of the Year. This is a great moment for Mr. Ron. When he won the award, Mr. Ron said, "I didn't think so many people cared and that I had such an impact. Truer words could not have been spoken." Mr. Ron is what I call an agent changer and part of his school's culture. For our district, this award went much further than Mr. Ron just winning. I can tell you, the sense of pride all of our custodians had for one of their own being nominated was truly authentic. Our community also embraced this opportunity as well and showed their support by voting for Mr. Ron. It was truly moving to get messages from individuals who had Mr. Ron as their custodian and tell such positive stories. And most of these messages came from individuals who've been out of our school district for over 10 years. Mr. Ron definitely had a positive impact. I encourage all your communities to get involved in the voting process for Rockstar Custodian. I'm sure you'll be as amazed as I was with the support and responses you will receive. Our school custodians don't always get the recognition they deserve, and this is the best way to show support than to vote for your own nominee. I wish all the nominees the best of luck, and always remember, you do make an impact when you least expect it. Have a great school year, everyone.